It's private, gated, unique. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bonus rooms, and 3 baths, 2564 KJ Way in Seymour offers over 3,100 square feet on almost 2 level to rolling acres within minutes of Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and the Smokies. Step inside beneath a 27-foot cathedral ceiling in the great room, centered by a huge Tennessee Riverstone fireplace. It flows to the eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and slate appliances. Every bedroom was designed for the utmost in comfort for all. The loft offers 2 oversized bedrooms and bath. Here's the expansive luxury master on the main with its own fireplace. It's complete with an ensuite new granite bathroom with dual vanities, jetted tub, and walk-in shower. Not only are you surrounded by pastoral acreage complete with a creek, there's a cozy fenced backyard complete with a pool. It's perfect for you and your guests in the lower level. A 1-bed, 1-bath apartment with private entrance, which would make an excellent overnight rental. There's so much more to this home. 2 attached single garages, a gated 2-vehicle carport, full-size laundry room. It's gated for safety, and there's a ton of upgrades you simply have to see to appreciate. 2564 KJ Way in Seymour is a specialty home for the discerning buyer who desires to experience the quiet of the country with quick and easy access to the Smokies. Call Melanie Sims of New Creation Real Estate direct at 865-310-9641.